Today's video is brought to you by eWin Racing, the best source for gaming chairs and desks for those long gaming sessions. We have a playlist of our eWin chair and desk videos linked in the video description below. Save 30% off of everything using the discount code TECHDEALS. More details at the end of the video.
I'm just going to call him Mr. Bravo. Mr. Bravo, thank you. Relatively new to gaming.
Welcome.
Welcome. Is the Lenovo 5 Tower with the RTX 3060, the Ryzen 7 5800X, 16 gigs of RAM on Walmart for $13.50 a good deal, or should I wait for a deal? An RTX 3060, a Ryzen
It's a
7...
Lenovo. No.
No, don't do that. 5800, 16 gigs of RAM at Walmart for $13.50. Hang on.
Click the Newegg link down below. Click this little button next to Newegg and come down to Computer Systems. Gaming Desktops. Sold by Newegg. In stock. Come down here to RTX 30 series. Hit Apply. Sort by lowest price. And actually, that's an open box machine. Condition, new. I don't want to used or open box or customer. Open box are just returned items the customer sent back. You never know what you're going to get. Now, the very first one on the list here is actually temporarily out of stock. You can add it to your cart and you can buy it, and they'll ship it to you as soon as they get it in stock. But it might be 3 days, it might be a week, it might be 2 weeks. You just don't know. I kind of like this one better anyway, because it's got a better case with better airflow. How much did you say that was? $13.50 at Walmart for a Lenovo 5 Tower?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This, what CPU does it have in it?
A 5800X.
A 5800. Not
I mean
a
5800. 16 gigs of RAM at 3060.
That's hard to argue. Well, that is a better CPU, objectively speaking. But then you have a proprietary, non-upgradable machine.
Like, does it have an SSD? Does it have a hard drive? Can you put more RAM in that?
I'm sure you can. The problem is motherboard, power supply. Does it a standard motherboard? Like the Dells, for example, have those proprietary garbage boards. You can never replace them. They have a proprietary power supply. You can't replace them. Those G5 gaming desktops. Mm-hmm. If any of you have seen Gamers Nexus video on those G5s, I have a G5 sitting out there I've been meaning to do a video on. They are objectively crap. I mean, they really are. So everything Gamers Nexus said about that machine is right. This has an i5-10400, which is not as good as the Ryzen 7 5800. But this is in a standard ASUS ATX tower case that will be upgradable for the next 10 bloody years. It is a standard ATX power supply. It has a standard RAM, standard components, standard SSD. You know that Dell G5, for example?
Yeah. It
comes with a 256 gig SSD, but it's not a standard M.2. It's this long. It's this big. If they cut it, it's a freaking short thing. It's just, the whole thing is... It is terrible. Now, this does not have as good of a CPU. But it's the same price. If he's okay to spend a little bit more to get a non-proprietary machine, that's got an 8-core 16-thread chip, which is close to that Ryzen 7 5800. That's not an X chip. That's an OEM chip. That's actually probably pretty close. But it's $150 more. But then he gets a machine
that he can change and upgrade and
with standard components. It's got a nice tower cooler in it, which I'm sure is much better than whatever's in that Lenovo machine. And this is a 8-core 16-thread 4.6 gigahertz chip.
Correct.
I mean, I would buy this for $1,500 over that $1,350 Lenovo machine 6 days a week and twice on Sunday. So, you do what you want.
Yeah.
But what'll happen is 3 years from now, when you want to change things, you'll end up having to just get rid of that and buy another computer. With this, you can just change out parts slowly over time.
You can.
That's my reasoning. eWin Racing has a wide selection of chairs to fit all shapes and sizes of gamers, ranging from petite to cuddly. They have something for every type of gamer. Not just sizes, but colors and material options as well, including red, blue, purple, pink, orange, and more, plus cloth and leather choices. We have over half a dozen chair and desk videos in a playlist down in the video description below. We also have a very special offer just for Tech Deals viewers. Save 30% off of everything using discount code TechDeals using our link in the video description. We have used eWin gaming chairs for 3 years in our office, sitting on them for up to 8-hour marathon live streams. They are very comfortable, and we are happy to work with eWin to bring you this special discount and recommend eWin for all of your gaming chair and desk needs.